Had some sunshine earlier today, then as expected, pop-up afternoon showers and storms. We're seeing a couple of these now from our McLeod Mountain camera up there in Campbell County. And temperature-wise, we're sitting at about 77 in the La Follette area right now of Campbell County, but a little cooler. Knoxville's down to 70 thanks to some rain, 68 in Maryville, and 68 degrees currently in Kingston. Wider perspective, what we've been watching is this stalled out area of low pressure. Mentioned this all week. It's kind of hanging out there between Louisiana and Mississippi, but it's pulling all this moisture up out of the Gulf of Mexico. So that's kind of what we're seeing in our area now. And as this low moves northward later tonight, it's going to bring this batch of rain and more into our direction. So what we're watching now is this moderate rain that's going in northwest Anderson County near the Briceville area, moving into southern Scott County. That's continuing to rotate. Not severe, but there is a little bit of lightning with this, and of course some downpours of rainfall. So we'll see that opportunity between now and about midnight. Then we're talking maybe just rain showers overnight tonight. Could there be a rumble of thunder? Yes. Would it be severe? No. But expect some damp roads as you start out early Monday morning as you head back to work and back to school. Temperature is pretty uniform in the low 60s, from 62 in Knoxville to 61 for Newport, Dandridge, Morristown, Barberville, and La Follette. Highs tomorrow, maybe a touch less warm than today, but still we're talking mid to upper 70s for most areas, including 77 for Knoxville, Dandridge, Loudon, and 79 degrees in Tellico Plains. Now there is a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms tomorrow, especially in the afternoon and evening. Although I do expect widespread showers and storms, I don't expect widespread severe storms. Maybe one or two that could have some gusty winds and hail. Not the size of hail we had last week on Thursday. Maybe a quarter size, 25-cent piece, so 1 inch in diameter or smaller would be a little more likely. Let's take a look. 7 o'clock in the morning, 6 predictor shows these kind of waves of rain that will move through. So it's not a continuous all-day rain, but there are continuous all-day opportunities for rain. Hard to say exactly where these will pop up. They will be scattered in nature, but they will continue as we go through the late afternoon and evening hours, and then the coverage decreases a little bit as we go overnight hours. And the same thing, we'll ramp it up again Tuesday afternoon and evening, and then slowly start to back down the opportunities as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday. We'll pick it back up with Tuesday again, 7 o'clock in the morning. Same thing. Showers will be developing, some rumbles of thunder. And if this rain moves over the same spots time after time, we could be talking about some isolated flooding in some areas. Again, not expected to be widespread. Overall, what we're looking at, some 1 to maybe near 2 inch totals between now, what we've already seen, and through Wednesday evening across the area. Once that batch rotates through, been talking about this for more than a week now, it's going to feel like summer for the second half of the week. Thursday, Friday, we're in that sticky range, and it looks like we'll stay that way into the weekend as well. Thursday looks dry, but later Thursday night into Friday, or Friday night rather into Saturday. So Friday night into Saturday, an opportunity of maybe some strong to severe storms coming out of Kentucky and sliding southeastward across the area. Just something we'll keep an eye on later in the week. But again, storm chances are pretty high Monday, Tuesday, severe threat on the lower side, not zero, but on the lower side. We are warmer, drier, but just muggy on Thursday with mid-80s. And then again, we'll keep an eye on that chance of storms Friday night into Saturday. Stay with us. We'll be right back.